Let's finish up the right hand. So now we'll be working on the individual fingers. We'll select our right wrist control again and also go back to our perspective and graph view. And in our graph editor outliner, we just need to select the channels from the thumb roll all the way to the pinky. Okay. And as the character is going down, we'll have our keys on the same frames as what we had on our fish channel. So about here on frame 10, we could just give the fingers a little bit more of a casual pose. Okay, even adjust the thumb some, like that. And then on frame 12, when the hand is on the bar, we'll adjust our fingers so that they're better set. Okay, so that we have a better grip on them. So could adjust this index, probably bring it in some more. Alright, and for the thumb, can bring that back. Also adjust the thumb bend channel. Alright. So we got the fingers wrapping around the bar there. Then we'll go to frame 48 and key our channels for the fingers for a moving hold. And as the character pulls up on the bar, we'll go to frame 50 and adjust the fingers here too. So for like the index, we can bring that out some and bring in the middle a little bit closer in, and possibly the pinky too, bring that closer in. And for the thumb, we'll fix that up. Okay. Alright, so here's our character pulling up on the weight. And we'll go to frame 79, key our fingers. And when the character goes down on frame 80, we'll see if we can adjust our fingers here, maybe slightly. Okay, so the index will bring that back, as well as the mid and the pinky. We can bring that back too. As far as the thumb, we can adjust the. Let's try adjusting the thumb roll slightly and the thumb bend channel, so the character's got a tighter grip. Alright, and we'll continue. And from 82, our next key lies on frame 113, so we'll go there and key our fingers again. Then 2 frames after, where the character's pulling up, we'll adjust them. So let's go to about frame 115 and fix up the fingers. Okay, bring them in closer. And the left or the pinky, or the thumb here seems to be fine. So we could just key the channels here. Okay. Alright. And we'll continue. We'll move on. So let's see on frame 123, as the character gets a tighter grip. Let's see if we can adjust anything here. The fingers seem pretty fine here, so we can just key our index through pinky on frame 123, and for the thumb, I think that's fine too, so we'll do the same. Okay, now we can skip all the way down to about frame 332, where the character is now about to drop the weight. Okay, and on that, we'll key the fingers. Then as the character drops the weight, on about frame 335, we could give the fingers a little bit more of a casual feel, bringing the mid down and the pinky down a little bit more. Okay, we may even need to go into wireframe mode so we can see the pinky. Okay, and again, we'll be adjusting this part a little bit later on, but there's the pinky, and it's a little bit further down than the mid. Okay, so we could go back in the shaded mode. Alright. And afterwards, when the character goes back into a fist, on frame 348, we'll just zero out of everything. So here's a motion. Alright, great. So with that done, that actually completes the right fist. And we're now ready to move on to the next lesson where we'll work on the left hand.